Hi, this is Tim with OS College, and this is a quick video for Google Sheets where we are looking at a spreadsheet where we will advance letters in a column rather than just numbers. Quick videos are videos that are about 2 to 5 minutes about one aspect of a different application. Google Sheets is a spreadsheet application from Google that runs through a web browser. It can be run through just about any web browser on any operating system: Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, and various Linux distros. So we have here in column B, this in B1, an A1, and if you move your cursor to where it turns to a plus sign and drag down, you'll get A2, A3, A4, A5. It advances and increases the numbers simply by dragging down. However, if you do this to an A in column C and A1, and you drag down to our and the A in C1, and you drag it down to C2, it just repeats A. So to accomplish, but if you want to go A, B, C, D, E, etc., you need a formula. And this is the formula you use. This can be used in many different spreadsheet applications, whether it's Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, any one of the versions of Excel, LibreOffice, only Office spreadsheet application. This is a universal formula that can be used. And so how you do this is you click on the cell you want to start this at. So for example, I want to put B, C, D, E, F, G in the column C. So I'll click on C2, and then I'll go to the formula bar, and I'll either write out the formula, or in this case I'll simply paste it. And so this says use the code from C1 and add 1 to it and create the character for that. So you simply press return or enter on your keyboard, and you get B. You click on this again and slide your cursor over till it turns to the plus sign and drag down, and you get C, D, E, F, G. And so that's basically how you can advance letters in a Google Sheet spreadsheet. This video from OS College has been a quick video about advancing letters in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. To watch other videos about Google Sheets and other applications, watch them at the YouTube channel. Click subscribe and like on this video to receive notifications of future videos like this. You also can check out other videos and information about various Office suites and other applications at oscollege.com, the OS College website, and check us out on Facebook. Thank you for watching.